Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix printer in error state error printer could not print. First clear all print jobs. Restart print spooler service. Restart printer. Second method is update printer driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.